What is going on, everyone? It is Hayden here, and today we go over my 8 sources of income. I think that's what we're doing today. Is that 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sources of income. So the other day I had a comment on my video that asked, Hayden, can you please go over your different sources of income? So today I decided, well, that's exactly what we're going to do. This list is in no particular order whatsoever. I'm just going to name them off for you guys, kind of explain them a little bit so you guys understand, because a lot has changed throughout the year. I used to do videos more like this a lot, but things have changed this year. So the first one is going to be my marketing agency, where I do social media marketing for other businesses. Now, this is one of my main sources of income. This is the one that I've had for the longest throughout this year, and that is my agency itself. You guys all know exactly what that is, so I don't want to get into too much into that, because a lot of you guys already know a lot about it. So we'll just move on to the next one. The next one on this list is going to be the social media marketing course, and that is the course I created with Ryan Hildreth way back in, I think, April, I want to say, of this year. That course can bring me anywhere between like $150 to $500 a day, depending on how the sales are going. Since we're on the topic of courses, the next one I want to talk about is going to be how I do affiliate marketing for different courses. So generally, whenever I have somebody on to my YouTube channel, they talk about something that they're really good at, and a course that they made about that subject. And what I like to do is I get an affiliate link for that course and I put it out there. All of Edward's links will be in the description down below. My affiliate links will bring me in, let's say, again, I'm just going from the very low end, let's say anywhere between $100 to $200, $300 a day in affiliate links, depending on the month, depending on how much I talked about a certain link. But the great thing I love about affiliate links, especially affiliate linking for courses, is that I get to have these people onto my channel. I just have a one-on-one conversation with them, kind of explain what it is that they do. I don't need to necessarily know the information. I don't have to do it myself, but I can still make money off of their course and them teaching other people how to do what they do. And it also brings in, different techniques that you guys can use, or different ideas, because some people really resonate well with selling on Amazon. Other people really resonate well with social media marketing. So I enjoy having these people on. Another great thing about doing affiliate marketing in this way is that if I put out a video today that said my review of so-and-so's whatever course, and I put an affiliate link in the description, that review, depending on the course, depending on how popular it gets, can last a year, 2 years. So I can make constant income every day. If not, even, who cares if it's once a week or once a month you make a sale, an extra $100 a month, who cares? It costs you nothing to make the video and post it. But the point is that for a year at least, you're going to be making income off of one video. And that's where, the whole point of having all these sources of income is in order to actually have sources of income that allow you to make money while you're sleeping. My next source of income is my Amazon store, which right now it makes me $0. Actually, negative $32 a month, I think it is, for my Amazon seller fee, because I still have not started my new Amazon product. Let's just keep telling myself that I'm going to do it, and eventually I probably will. But at one point in time, Amazon made me around $500 a day doing Amazon. So that back then was obviously awesome. Since that one product I sold, which was fidget spinners, I have not started another product. I have no clue why I haven't. I always say I'm going to. I've ordered in samples of products that I actually have in this room, but I still have yet to actually set it up. And right now it's Chinese Spring Festival, so I can't actually order in any new products for a month. So there's that. Speaking of Amazon, the next source of income is Amazon affiliate. Now, the reason I kind of separated this between course affiliate marketing and product affiliate marketing is, to me, they're two completely different things. One thing I love about Amazon affiliate marketing is the fact that literally you can make a video about just about anything in your house. So me, for example, I filmed one of the renovations I just did in my kitchen, because I plan on posting that on a different YouTube channel I have, and talking about the product, talking about how it worked for me, and then just leaving an affiliate link for that product down below. So that way I'm paying for my home renovations by making videos on those products. So the reason I really love Amazon, again, really love Amazon affiliate marketing is because you can literally just review or make videos on any product. You can make random reviews and you can put an affiliate link in there and make money doing that. So to me, it's just one of the easiest ways that if you're a YouTuber or an influencer of any sort, or whatever it may be, and you're just trying to make a little extra income, you can always talk about a product and tell your people, oh, swipe up if you want to buy this, whatever, headphones or whatever it may be, and an Amazon affiliate link right there. It makes things very easy, a very simple way to make money. Now moving into more of the investing side of things, this is where things get a little boring for some people, a little exciting for others. The first one is I invest in the stock market. I do put $1,000 a month or so into stocks, so that is a source of income on its own. It doesn't make me a huge amount because I am not very good when it comes to that type of thing. It's more of my safe investment. Like S&P 500 stocks, stuff like that. Like those are my safe investments, I like to call them. So I've got those that bring me in. Well, as my portfolio grows, obviously the more money it brings me in. I'm not quite sure how much I actually make per month off of that, but that is something that I currently do in order to kind of invest some of my money. The next source of income would be crypto investing. That is something that is much more aggressive, but also brings in a lot more money. Between the last 3 months or so, I've tripled, if not quadrupled, my initial investment in that. So crypto investing is something super easy to do. Well, not super easy to do, I want to say. Like, I took a course in order to learn it, which I will again link down below for that. But it's something that if you know what you're doing, if you actually just spend a little bit of time each day, let's say an hour a day maybe, and you just got on the computer and you take all the knowledge that I learned from the course and you start to really look at different coins that are going to be coming up, and maybe you can get in and start doing some investing. You can make a lot of money doing that. You can make a full-time income, like Edward Ornelas does. He makes a full-time income doing this type of thing. So it is definitely one of my, I don't want to say one of my favorite incomes, but it's nice because it's passive. I don't need to make videos in order to make money doing it. It's just something that you can literally spend an hour a day, not even an hour a day doing, in order to make almost a full-time income doing it. And my final source of income is where I'm sitting right now, and that is my income property I have right here. Now, it's not by any means a crazy source of income. It's $800 a month. I have my tenant paying rent, so that right now just helps me be able to live here. Kind of takes back some of the cost of this house, and this house itself, who knows, eventually might be flipped. One thing I really like about this source of income, is the fact that my tenant is awesome. He pays me, he gave me all of his checks for the entire year, pre-dated, so I can just go and deposit them every single month. He's super quiet. I absolutely love the idea because the area of my house that's rented out is a very small area. You don't even notice it not being there. Like, it's not something that you're like, man, half my house is gone. Not at all. They have my tenant has a separate driveway, separate entrance to the house. So to me, it's just a no-brainer. I mean, if I can get an extra $800 a month, it brings down my entire monthly costs of the house. If we're going to do like hydro, heat, whatever, it only ends up being like $1,500 a month to live in this house. And it's much bigger. Like, I mean, I've seen people who rent apartments for maybe like $100 to $200 less than that, and this is way bigger than their apartment. So for that reason, I really do enjoy having the income property and having at least a tenant renting out part of it. So that is my 8th source of income. If you guys have any questions relating to any of the sources of income, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. I will also leave links for all courses, all affiliate, whatever it may be, for anything down below. So if you guys would like to check out how to learn social media marketing, how to learn how to sell on Amazon, how to learn how to invest in the stock markets, and how to learn how to invest in cryptocurrency, all those links will be in the description down below. I'm a huge fan of courses. You guys know that. So if you guys would like to invest in yourself and stop investing in random shit, links are in the description down below. Again, I want to thank you all so much for watching. And if you haven't already done so, you can follow me here on Instagram. I'm at Hayden Peddle. Don't forget, I also have Facebook. I'm at Hayden Peddle on there as well. And if you want to get real personal with me, you can screenshot this guy right here and add me up on Snapchat. Again, guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.